new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Extended Cab Truck. On the outside, we have heated and power door mirrors with turn signal indicators, fully automatic headlights, rear step bumper, spray-in bedliner, and heavy-duty trailering package. Inside, we have comfortable cloth seating for 6, automatic temperature control, illuminated entry, outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. The radio has a CD player and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2013 GMC Sierra has less than 40,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.